Today we're going to go ahead and make shower steamers, a take on a bath bomb, but for the shower. So mica powder, if you want it, you don't really need it. It just makes it pretty. Witch hazel for misting it, some fragrance, kaolin clay, citric acid, and some baking soda. And an assistant, which I have today. You don't need one, but I have one who's awesome. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the baking soda and mix in the kaolin clay. Add in the citric acid. And while I'm doing this, if you want to scoop some color in there.
How much, like this?
Sure.
Do you need more or no?
I don't know yet.
You're making something that's not blue for once.
Sure. All right, so yeah, maybe give me just a little bit more. With extra pizzazz.
This much?
Yep.
Don't be mine.
Go ahead and add your fragrance. Oh, that was kind of pretty.
Kind of. I think it's just because our favorite color would be orange.
Yeah, orange is
The best.
best color ever. So now is when your handy dandy assistant is gonna spray it with witch hazel. Give me some more. And if you don't have witch hazel, it's fine to go ahead and use rubbing alcohol too. Either one will work. So what we're going for is we're going for a texture similar to a bath bomb, where when you squeeze it up and you drop it, it doesn't break. So we need a little bit more.
I love how you subtly tell me that. Just like, we need a little bit more.
There we go. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this cupcake muffin tin.
Just want to be having fingerprints.
All right, we scrape. So right here, we're just scraping off some of the stuff into the other molds, so that my fingerprints aren't all in them. But then I like to go back and touch them all.
Oh my god! Don't forget about over here. Wait, I need will on this one?
Yeah. And that's that. We let these dry for about 2 days. We're going to go ahead and take them out of the pan, hopefully without breaking them.
Yeah?
Let's go ahead and see how these work. So what you want to do when you're taking a shower is you want to put the shower steamer off to the side where it's not going to get directly sprayed with water. As that's steaming, you can really smell the fragrance coming through.